nimbi corruption ne shisha corruption ne irye cyakubire kitakora so konga to kwaza kujya tata utikayarara hera kije kiro tunanye kandi mendare naco kigwire because buri yomwe twandukore imirimo yitu inebera je bitkusoyaringa ineza authors taking kugira ngo noja ko respecting a constitution yihanga noja ko respecting a government act also of agency also of course no kugira ngo noza khereza abantu above self so one of breaching ebyo that moral authority no tajine kuganira shongezo so nyoni njangu nanitwa nkabembeza kuturi twine kwemera amazima twine kushobora abantu ekishire so twabantu kore ekishire na district no bakore ekishire konga washanga ngo niyo mwembezi then ko kuzo mu roads committee otureka tukabagane ashiwo ryashonoze to good odumve yamajuto twatura stories enyuma bembeza barongo rugude barubagana
naona rebo ishakorebuza
nawe yarubagana ushangana baroncinge byapa ngo ashara kilometer ina hatariho rugude tukatureba cases zezo onkade bina bikargaho because to believing kugira ngo ekikushasha abantu bitunze nkitshasha yebane